Hello everyone, and welcome to my final video about DBMS. Let's compare database management systems and traditional file processing. Now that we understand both approaches, we can analyze when each one is more suitable and how their performance differs. This comparison will help us choose the right solution depending on the situation. So let's start. This will show you a quick comparison between the two systems. DBMS uses centralized storage, offers strong security, and supports high scalability. Traditional file processing uses separate files, has weaker security, and is limited in scalability. So overall, DBMS is better for large and complex systems, while file processing is better for small and simple tasks. A good example where DBMS is necessary is a banking system. Banks handle millions of transactions every day. They require secure access, high reliability, and real-time updates. Multiple users must access the same accounts at the same time without conflicts. A DBMS ensures data consistency and prevents errors, which is critical for financial operations. Another example is an e-commerce platform like Amazon. These systems must manage products, inventory, customer accounts, and payments simultaneously. Data must update in real time, especially when items are purchased. A DBMS allows fast queries and supports thousands of users at the same time. Without it, the system will be slow and unreliable. Now let's look at situations where traditional file processing is more appropriate. For small personal applications such as a to-do list or a small expense tracker, using a DBMS will be unnecessary. These apps only store a small amount of data and usually have one user. Simple files are easier and faster to implement. Another example is embedded systems or small devices like sensors or microcontrollers. These devices have limited memory and processing power. Installing a DBMS will consume too many resources, so lightweight file storage is more practical and efficient for these systems. In terms of performance, DBMS systems are optimized for large-scale operations. They use indexing, caching, and query optimization techniques to retrieve data quickly. They can handle very large datasets and multiple users at the same time. Even though there is some overheat, they perform much better when that data size increases. Traditional file processing usually requires scanning entire files to find specific records. As the file grows, searching becomes slower and less efficient. It does not scale well for large systems or multiple users, so performance decreases significantly as the data grows. To conclude, both systems have strengths and weaknesses. DBMS is ideal for large, complex, and shared environments where security and reliability are important. Traditional file processing is better for small, simple, and low-resource applications. The best choice depends on the project size requirements and available resources that you have. Thank you for listening and watching, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias.